So as you can see, the lighting in my shop is decent, right? But I want to kick it up a notch. I picked up a good deal off of Amazon. For around $100, I picked up an 8-pack of 5,000 Kelvin LED light bulbs. They're linkable, so we're going to install those today, and we're going to see how much lighting in your shop can really make a difference. So let's get those installed and see what the upgrade looks like when we're done. So everything that came in the kit from Amazon, you get 8 of these 5,000 LED bulbs, 4 different power connection sources so you can link them in different sections, along with link cables. These will allow 4-foot sections between the lights, and they just plug in right on the ends here. So we can link them all together, and then mounting hardware for the ceiling. We're gonna get these laid out, installed, and then we'll turn on the lights. Really? You can be like that today, huh?
There's nothing more frustrating than dropping a screw while you're standing on top of the ladder.
So once you got your 2 clips mounted in, these lights are nice and easy. They just snap right into place. So there's one installed. Let's keep moving around here, and we'll get the rest installed throughout the shop.
So the set from Amazon that I picked up is a very lightweight set. I really didn't need to use any anchors except for some simple drywall anchors just to mount this up there, but they're very lightweight. A coarse threaded drywall screw probably holds them up just fine. I went around the shop and we measured off the walls to keep a uniform fit throughout the shop, or keep a uniform look throughout the shop. You know, it is just a garage shop, but I don't want it to look like I just haphazardly threw stuff up on the ceiling without any care. Focused mainly on the perimeter of my shop here, as I have some other lights in there, but these are really going to help get rid of some of that shadowing. You'll notice in the start of the video it was kind of dim and dusky, and then as I moved into the second area there, I had a ring light to help light things up. Again here, there's a ring light shining up on me, just trying to get some of those shadows out of the way. You can see the darker areas there where the lights currently aren't on. One thing I really like about this light set is that you don't have to run any conduit or Romex. An outlet in your garage or the space you're trying to illuminate serves the entire purpose. So there's no electrician required. Plug it into the outlet, link them, run your cables, and you easily have an auxiliary lighting source to brighten up those areas where you need to work. It could be a storage room in your basement. It could be your garage.
All right, so we got the lights all installed in the shop. Everything is wired up, plugged in, and ready to go. We're going to flip them on, and we're going to see what the difference is. So this is the lighting as it stands normally. From what I can see and what I've looked at on the screen and put it onto my computer a few times, it's a really good representation of the actual lighting in the shop. It's decent, but I do have a lot of shadow areas, parts where I could use some extra light just to see those fine pencil marks and everything. So we're going to go ahead and flip this light on. We're going to see what kind of a difference it makes. Not bad. For $100 on Amazon, I was able to upgrade the lighting in my shop. Brighter, makes it feel roomier. Hopefully, a little bit more enjoyable for you guys to watch as I do this whole video thing. But really happy with how it came out. Again, I'll put a link in the description of this video for the light set that I used. It's a 5,000 Kelvin, 8 LED linkable set. Easily mounted, lightweight, installed in under an hour. Hit that subscribe button and that bell notification for future content coming out. Thanks for watching, and go make something. Am I looking good? You zooming in my belly, we got a problem.